right, good morning, besties. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or start of the day or whenever you're watching this. So today I am going to a job fair. I have not been to a job fair in so many years, of course. So I really don't know what to expect. And I also don't know what type of positions they're going to have available either. It didn't say it on the flyer. So there's a possibility that these can be frontline positions that they have available, but I'm just gonna go. I see it as an opportunity to meet recruiters and network with different companies, whichever companies will be there, and really get a chance to connect. So even if nothing comes out of this job fair, like a job, my main goal is to connect with different recruiters and meet them and leave them with my resume, and if there is a position that aligns with my skill set and you know, how I'm able to deliver for the company, that you know, we'll see. But I'm kind of just a teeny weeny bit nervous, only because I don't know what to expect, and I haven't been to a job fair. I don't even think I've ever been to a job fair, and if I have, it was for a specific company. I was like in my early 20s, and I already knew what the position was that I was going for. I think that was the only one, and I remember it was for C's Candy. And I really wanted, they had supervisor positions open, and they also had the cashier positions. I'm not sure of their titles, but I didn't get the job. But anyway, so I'm going to take you guys along with me. I don't know how much I'll be able to capture, but hopefully I'm able to capture a good amount of content. So I'm getting ready to print out my resume and then head over there. I have my grandbaby with me today. Yay! I have her with me this morning. Do you want to say hi to the besties?
Hi.
Hi. Say hi. Hi. You're so sweet. Okay. All right, guys. I will pick you back up once we get to the job fair. Now say bye. Say bye. No. Say bye. Okay. She said bye. Oh, now she's saying it. Say bye.
Go.
Oh, not go. Okay, girl. Come on, let's go. Hey, you guys. So I have made it to the location. The lighting is a little bad because I'm up under this I think these are like solar or something, but anyway, and the sun is not out, but I've made it. I am 20 minutes early. I'm about 30 minutes early, but after I parked and everything, now I'm about 20 minutes early. I'm gonna go ahead and go in. I really seriously don't know what to expect. Like, I don't know what positions are available or what they're recruiting for, because it didn't say it on the flyer. And it is inside of a building, so we will see. So I'm gonna go in there and see what they have, and hopefully something good will come out of it. But if not, you know, I do just want to be able to come and network with different companies and recruiters and things like that. So I believe that they said, I mean, I don't know if they're hiring on the spot, or this is just meeting with employers who are currently hiring. So we will see. I will give you guys an update once I come out. All right, talk to you guys soon. Good morning. I'm here for the job fair.
Job fair. Are you an attendee or employer?
Attender.
Attendant?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, just put your bag right here.
Transporting people back to the job fair. So we have 10 vendors that's here today. I am going to ask, we do have DPSS. They're going to be doing special interviews for like Medi-Cal and CalFresh. Would anyone like to volunteer to speak to them first? Do we have any volunteers? No? DPSS? Okay. You don't have to, but
I'm not sure.
I don't understand. What?
Are they asking if you want to apply for the program or apply for a position?
So if you haven't checked in with security,
Maybe have like an interview with the DPSS?
Interview.
Oh, they're going to for interview.
With them first?
Can you clarify for her what you mean?
Do we need a translator? Or
Oh, like if you want to apply for CalFresh?
yeah, like if you want to apply for CalFresh or Medi-Cal,
Oh,
yeah, they'll be
okay.
doing like applications.
Oh, okay, thank you.
I'm sorry, like, as an employee or to receive the services?
To receive the services.
See, it wasn't just me.
Right. No. It wasn't just.
Sometimes I feel like because English is my second language, I feel like and it's always like, see, they didn't
Yeah.
understand the
Yeah. I agree. I agree. That's why we needed him to clarify it.
So she has a
Hi, how are you? I'm Jasmine. Nice to meet you.
We are a community resource, so we offer like a list of programs. It's mostly housing and food and emergency services.
Okay.
Aside from that, we offer case management.
In the wheel.
What you get? Nothing. Okay, try it again.
Okay, I was gonna say nothing. Let me give it a good spin.
Yes. What you got?
Kane's gift card? All right. Hey besties, so I am back from, or I'm actually on my way home from the job fair, and I just wanted to give you guys kind of like a recap of how everything went. It wasn't that bad. It was a smaller job fair, I believe, at least that's what they told me. And there was a combination of vendors who were there to provide like community services, like different groups for like if you needed assistance with food or transportation, like those type of services. And then there were also companies who were there to market or promote their company in the different positions that they had available. None of the positions really aligned with my experience or the things that I was looking to do. There were a couple. There was one, and I did give the gentleman my resume. However, once I found out where the headquarters were, I was like, I don't know if I could take that drive every day because it's like really far into the city, and it would probably take me 2 hours to get there and back, especially with traffic. So that really didn't work out. Well, they'll probably call me, maybe, possibly. They were recruiting for a lot of frontline positions, but the roles where I qualified for based upon my experience, one guy told me to give him my resume, and then the other company, the city, told me to go onto the website and see what positions they had available. But a lot of the ones that they were recruiting for today were ones that I really wasn't interested in, or I didn't qualify for them, because there were like some behavioral health roles that were available as well. However, I don't work in that field, so that was that. And they weren't doing any hiring on the spot either. You would talk to the representative, and they told you to either, a lot of them, the majority of them, said, hey, go to the website and see what positions are available, and then go ahead and apply there at that time. So, but no one was actually interviewing and hiring on the spot. So it wasn't too bad. It was a good experience. Definitely good to go and network and to really continue to practice in that light. So my friend has sent me this job fair, but I know that you can go on places like definitely checking the social media, and then also Eventbrite. I believe Eventbrite has a lot of different job fairs and mock interview classes and things like that that's available. So that's a little tip if you want to kind of get out and network. They have a lot of networking events and things like that, so you can check that on Eventbrite. There may be another one that I might go to with a friend of mine. This one, though, is a marketing event. It's really tailored to those who are in the marketing field, and I may go just to continue to network and things like that, so we'll see. But this is my first one that I've gone to within this season that I'm in right now. And one thing that I did win is I won a gift card. Yay! I won a gift card to Cane's. I thought it was for like a full meal, but it's just for a 22-ounce lemonade. So if I ever go to Cane's, I guess they'll take care of my drink. So that's that. But outside of that, it wasn't that bad. I hope I was able to get some good content. I was trying my best to, but I didn't want to seem so obvious, But other than that, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me as I went on that job fair. And now I am on my way home to edit this video and hopefully get it out today. But I will see you besties in the next video. Go be great. Peace out.
You're special and you're reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she's my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you do it.